I'm going to show you how you can earn up to 50 US cents every couple of seconds with this one simple app and an amazing auto clicker tool or application that will automate the process for you and earn residual income. Now, the amount of clicks that can be made on this app is unlimited. So essentially what I'm saying is you can earn unlimited PayPal cash with this app. And if this sounds interesting to you, make sure to stick around until the end so you can learn exactly how to do this and learn about this bonus tool. And what you can expect from this video is you are going to learn exactly how this works, the actual app and how to set it up. I'm going to go into my phone later, a free auto clicker app or tool that will do all the clicks for you, automate the process for you, and essentially earn you residual income. And I'm also going to show you how you can cash out to your PayPal account. This app does pay very well and very quickly. They pay, as far as I know, within under 24 hours, which is really fast. And this app is available internationally for everybody to use. And the application that I want to show you is called BuzzBreak News. Buzz News and earn free cash. So as it says in the name of the application, earn free cash. So BuzzBreak is basically a news application where if you tap on different news articles and there's a certain gift icon that you also tap on. As I say, I'm going to log into the app a little bit later in this video to show you how this works. And you will then earn points, which is essentially PayPal cash for this. So you can see earn real cash every time you tap out on a certain icon or a news feed. You will get in a certain amount of points which can be cashed out into PayPal cash. But as I say, I'm going to show you this amazing tool that will do all the clicking for you, so you don't need to do any of the clicking at all. You can literally leave your phone on your desk and earn money while this free tool application does all the clicking for you. And you want to log into the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, where you will search on the search bar BuzzBreak News, and the app should pop up first. And the first thing you want to do is obviously install the app and download it. Once that's done, open the app up, and you'll see there will be a pop-up called "You have received a bonus from us." So you'll get a small little bonus from the app as a thank you for downloading the app. So you can claim that if you want to. And you will see on the home screen of this application, BuzzBreak, they've got Apple lost at sea returns LA California's 2019 NFL mock draft. In this news roll, Aussie Newsome still has butterflies. There's a whole bunch of different and obviously popular news feeds that are on this application, and you'll see on the bottom right of this screen, you can see where I tap, there is a gift icon that you can press, and you will see I just got 200 points. So if I go to my wallet, you can see I've got 200 points, which is $0.02, which is really good considering that's just one tap, which is good money. So again, I can go back. This tap reloads after every 30 seconds. So every 30 seconds, you are going to earn with this app. And now I'm going to show you the tool that you can use to do this. It will tap this button for you automatically. So what you want to do is you want to go back to the Play Store, into the search bar, and you want to type in auto clicker. You'll see there's a whole bunch of auto clicker apps listed on the Play Store. I'm not sure if it's the same list for the Apple App Store, but you can go to this one here called Auto Clicker Automatic Tap, which is the best one. I've already installed it, so you want to install that, download it. It's about 2 megs. Open this application. You will see on the home screen of this application, they've got what you call a single target mode and a multi-target mode. All you need is the single target mode, so you'll click on Enable, and you can basically drag this little thing around, or the little icon around, to where you want the screen to automatically tap for you. So what you want to do is, while you've got this open, you want to go back to your BuzzBreak News app. You want to hover this little icon over the little gift card icon, okay? And once that's set up, you want to go back to the auto clicker app. You can go settings, the little settings cog. You want to go up to seconds every 35 seconds, because remember, the gift app only refreshes after 30 seconds in the BuzzFeed app, meaning you can only click and earn points every 30 seconds. So you just want to set the automatic click app to 35 seconds just to play it safe. So I'm going to set this to 35 seconds. You can go click done, and once that's done, you can go back to the application and click the play button, and now it will go after every 30 seconds. You can see I just earned another 75 points, and after 30 seconds the little gift icon will be available for click again, and then the automatic clicker app will do the click for you. So you can literally put your phone on the desk and earn residual income. So I'm going to leave this for a bit, see how many points I can earn. I will come back after a while and I'll show you the total amount, and also how to withdraw to your PayPal account, straight to PayPal cash, and essentially withdraw to your local bank. So you'll see again, I earned another 75 points. And that's the auto clicker app doing all of this for me. So now if I go to my wallet, I've already earned 350 points, which is $0.035 US, which is really good considering I've literally sat here doing nothing for the past 60 seconds, earning a couple of dollars. I mean, that's really good. And to cash out, what you want to do is you want to go to the wallet tab, and there will be a big cash out button at the top, or more or less in the middle, and you want to make sure you enter your correct PayPal email, because as far as I know, you cannot correct this or change it once you've entered it. So I'm just going to put in my PayPal details. And once that's done, it will then pop up with a tab like this. So you can select 0.02, 0.10 or 0.50 US dollars to cash out. You'll then click on the PayPal icon and click cash out. So once you've done that, the money will be sent straight to your PayPal account within under 24 hours. Guys, what I'm going to do is with this application, I'm going to show you in my next video the total amount I've earned from this app. I'm going to leave it on running overnight for a couple of hours, and I will show you over in my next video how much I've actually earned from this application, let's say within 10 hours overnight. And yeah, so make sure to subscribe and hang tight for the next video so I can show you exactly what I've earned and how to cash out. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. I will really appreciate it. I really love the support, as you guys, really, your support means everything to me. Comment down below what you think of this. Comment down below if there's anything that you need help with, whether it's getting YouTube subscribers, growing your channel, growing your online business. Let me know. I'm really willing to help out. But I'm trying to upload regular content. I know I've been struggling to upload on a daily basis, but it's just been so busy with university projects and practicals and all of that. But holidays or recess is coming soon, where I'm going to have about a whole month off, so I'll be uploading daily content for you guys. Now I try to upload at least every day, or I miss a day or two sometimes, most of the time in the last week. It has been super busy, but I'm trying my best, as I really love creating content for you guys. But guys, subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content on how you can make money online, boost your social media network such as your YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you're using, and to succeed in your online business, and also how to make money online in 2019. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.